I'm recording.
You get that out to me?
Yep.
Yeah, these water too.
I would do all along the edge of the.
That's why you're supposed to shake them every week too. Oh my goodness, they got that thing blue in them.
Want me to grab this side?
Yeah. Thank you.
Whew.
Look at all them. Look at all them mites.
Oh, good gravy.
Oh, that's not good at all. Well, we don't want that in. That's a.
So we just kill them?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Kill them as many as you can get. That's never good right there.
Well, how long ago has it been since we checked it?
I don't know. Too long,
A couple of
evidently.
weeks, I thought.
Because what'll happen now is they're probably all into everything. Just eat that. Watch yourself. Hopefully we didn't hurt the hive any, but I don't know how they're getting in there so much. Okay, let me get in here. There definitely a lot of bees in here. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah. Want me to spray again?
Look at that one right there. He's trying to get me. I'm gonna have to put a trap in here.
Why don't you spray around me?
Come on over
These
here
are
by
like-
me.
Look at them all.
Yeah. Come on over here by me though.
I'm coming. So we've had our bees since the beginning of April, and we have yet to be stung.
We have a lot of hive beetles. I'm gonna have to put a trap out.
Is that what these are, as hive beetles?
Yeah, small hive beetals,
Okay.
and that they get in the honey.
Oh,
You know, and then
that's
we
what
got.
they're going after?
Yeah, and I also saw last time.
They
in
don't
here-
hurt the bees, though?
Well, they diminish the food, and I guess they just wreak havoc.
Oh.
So, and then they have what we call the. See, do you see these hairs in here?
Where? What is it?
It looks like animal hair to me. Like some animal's been trying to get in here. See it right here? I mean, I know they haven't, but I'm wondering. Look at that one right there. He's still got powdered sugar on him.
How cute. And that's when we treated them for the something?
The varroa mites.
Varroa mites.
See all that powdered sugar?
Yeah.
Here even?
Yep.
I'm gonna take this all off of here. They do kind of look like they're sad, don't they? I wonder if they're sick.
I don't think so.
Well, you can't, these right here, that's a hard work on a beehive. You know, that was an infestation right there.
Those beetle mites?
Yes, those are small hive beetles, and those are,
And what do we do to get rid of those?
well, they set traps for them. That's what that thing is right here. I gotta get that going again. And you trap them.
And what are we doing right now with them?
I'm gonna put some, I saw this person treat their beehive with rosemary oil, essential oils, 3 drops or 2, I think I put 2 in, 2 drops of rosemary oil and coconut oil. See, these bees right here do not look healthy right here though.
No?
No, I don't think so. And I'm concerned that the queen is somehow up inside here. See how they're up in here and they're like collecting up in there? That means they're building stuff. And I don't know if there's a queen in there or what. I would never know, and she could escape on us. Or squish her or something. I really don't know why she would be in there, but. And then see all of this propolis right here?
Mm-hmm.
Man, them bees have been busy. There's another hive beetle. Where'd he go? Yeah, we have an infestation. I gotta figure that out.
Oh, look at this little guy right here. What's wrong with him? Did he get squished?
I think so, or something. They're just,
Oh, poor little bee.
I mean, look at that. Propolis.
Mm-hmm.
I should save it. I don't know how.
Well, we'll have to look it up.
Let me see that. I'll grab this crap. Well, they're not happy. Those ones coming back seem a little agitated, don't they?
Yeah. Well, it just might be because there's more of them too. Because our hive has definitely grown.
See how that thing's stuck pretty
Oh,
good.
see,
ain't
he's getting that dead one out of there. That's funny.
I'm lifting that up. Boy, you guys. That's why you check them more often, I think. See, I could have just squished the queen right there. See that thing lift up on us? Darn it. Boy. I can see now checking this a little more often when you're here is important because of the propolis. It's sticky. Oh no, see that worm?
Mm-mm.
That's a wax moth right there, that worm. Hopefully we don't have an infestation of those.
Well, look at on that board. Is there anything on that board?
But I just killed that worm. There's a hive beetle. Yeah, we could have some problems here. I just killed it. It looks like a wax moth. Remember you said you saw moths?
Yeah.
Those are wax moths, and those will kill a hive too. We don't have an excluder in here. So you don't want to do that, but I just did. 'Cause you can kill the queen. She shouldn't be up in here, but... Okay, so this is honey. So this is honey, that's capped honey, this is not, but that's all honey, that's their reserves. This is honey, that's capped honey here. So they're not quite fully done, but they're working on it pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah.
What's strange is they've got one here that's skipped. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So,
See, he's trying to chase that.
yeah, they'll chase that's what, and it just wears them down.
Yeah.
That's why you want to get rid of them.
Right.
These right here are all dead bees here. All right, so which one did I just do that one? So we would say that that's probably not quite a full frame of honey.
Right.
This is strange. See this one right here?
Mm-hmm.
This one's got some honey in it, some capped, not capped. But see, there's no brood in that. That's just honey. So we're good there.
Leave that little bee out from.
So I would say between these two, we have 2 frames. Would you agree with that? Maybe two full frames? They're not quite frames yet.
Not full, but.
I meant like combined together. He's stuck. See him in there? I don't know how he got stuck, but he's stuck. Did I lift this one up already?
Mm-mm.
No,
You're on the
not
third one.
See, this one's not full neither. See this right here is honey. Some capped, some not capped. That's honey. Oh, better be careful. I just about dropped that one on there. See that small hive beetle in there? And I can't really do anything about that guy because I don't want to be. So here's another one. See that? Not quite full. There's a small hive beetle.
Where do you see that at?
Right there, he just fell out.
Mm.
This will give me some. You see that one just hit me in the head?
No.
That bee's not happy right there. Okay, so now that one's so stuck together the frame about tore apart on us.
Uh-oh.
I think I just seen a varroa mite. Real small. See now this, that's almost a full frame of honey.
I can't see your arms anyway. Nice.
And then that's all capped honey.
Oh, nice.
They're not doing super great.
Now, where'd you see the varroa mite?
He was up on top of this frame, but they're really small.
Okay.
So small, I don't know if we'll be able to see them. So now here's what, these are full frames. So when they consider 6, they're talking about those half frames.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I think that between 1, 2, 3, 4, with all of these 4 that have like partials on there, I would definitely have no problem considering 1. We have 1 full frame of honey and then another half a frame. Is that making sense?
Yeah.
Because these are full frames. These are full. I don't think they use the word full, but they're large frames maybe.
Right.
So we have, I'm going to call it 2 large frames. So here's another, this one's full, this one's heavy.
Wow,
That's
look at
all honey. See that?
Yeah, that one's like
On
nice.
both sides. See, that's cap 2.
Just a minute. Uh-huh.
That's full 2. That's,
Hey, what's this right here? Oh, never mind, just dropped. It must be populous.
or a varroa mite. Or
No,
I
I
mean
think it
a
was-
small hive beetle.
I'm pretty sure it was the populous
Okay.
dangling from it.
Gotcha.
It was that color.
Oh, I just switched another bee. So right now we'll have, that's a full, that's considered 2. You know what I'm saying? Because we
Right,
got
front
one.
and back.
So there's 2, 3. We have 3 full frames, and that's making it conservative.
Okay.
3 full frames of honey. There's a roll mite too. Doggone. I'm gonna kill those before I leave, probably.
I'll get him right there. There's one up there on the.
That is considered an infestation.
And what do we do with those? How do you kill those? Did you say again?
Well, they trap them. They're just
Oh, trap
really
'em.
hard to get
What do you
rid
got the
of.
rosemary for?
That's for the varroa mites.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna put some.
So this one right here is honey too, but you can tell that it's not it's not as heavy.
Well, why they?
So there, look at all that larva in there. See, our queen's in there somewhere laying eggs. So
Can you
this
see
is,
her?
no, I can't see her. I'm not real good at seeing her. So I just looked for larvae, and I see lots of little larvae, and I see eggs in there.
Let me see.
I can't let this down. So right in here, right in there's the larvae, and then there's like eggs here. I have gotten good enough to see that. And if there's larvae and there's eggs, then there's a queen someplace.
Right. Why are they doing this down
So-
here?
Well, because there's a gap in there.
Oh.
So
That's
you know what?
nice.
I've only seen that one grub, which is a wax moth grub. But I got to find out why. Or it was a bee. I don't know. That didn't look like a. Usually they don't come out of there until they're.
Oh, like the larva, you mean?
Yeah, they stay right in the cell because there's stuff in there. See, there's see all the little grubs in that one. But I have to be careful because I don't want to kill my queen.
Right. I wish we could see her.
Yeah, they're really hard, and the paint wears off of them when you mark them.
Yeah.
But I can't believe how docile these are. These aren't going crazy at all.
I know, they're nice.
So we have. See, I want to be careful there. So if I'm thinking right, and I'm read some, that the varroa mite, so now there's a queen cell, but they say that's normal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, where do you see your queens?
That, I think those are queen
Oh,
cells.
right, the large ones
Yeah,
right
the
there.
large ones.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Where?
Right here.
Yeah. I don't see anything in them though. Ooh, that one does have one in it, looks like. Possibly. I don't know why they would do that, you know? And then see that, those yellow, dark yellows, that I think is pollen. Or pollen. What do they call those? Bee pollen. Bee pollen. And then see the stuff up on...
There's a little bug right there crawling in and out. See
Yeah, that's a small hive beetle.
Yeah.
See these ones right here with the cap cells on them, and they're about ready to bust open?
Mm-hmm.
Those are going to be hatched soon.
Those are bees. Oh,
Those are bees, yeah. And then up here's honey.
See how these are all glamming over there?
Yeah,
that's probably where they're protecting the queen.
Queen could be. I don't like the fact that they have a queen cell in there, though.
Well, they got a couple of them, so that's...
But I really don't know, you know, what I would do about it.
Mm-hmm.
So we have, I'm going to go look a little bit farther in here. The danger with doing them in here is you're going to have a chance of killing the queen. That's the problem. And if they don't have a queen, I think by September, because she will quit laying here shortly from what I understand. But this one hasn't stopped at all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The only thing is I've not seen a lot of drones. The drones are the bigger bees. And I don't see drones. This is where they get agitated at you for getting in because they don't like, this is their brood. But you can see all them capped, those are all new bees getting ready to come out.
Yeah, so the queen's here somewhere.
Somewhere she is. Did you see all those fall? Brush that bottom off. Thank you. See, these right here are all capped. Oh, shoot. I just killed something right there. See, there's a bunch getting ready to hatch, and that is a good sign of a queen. I think it is. See all this? That's all bees right there.
Oh, right there.
Where's
that
she?
big one?
That's a drone bee.
Okay.
That's what we're looking for. I don't see a lot of them, and I don't see new drone cells. There should be. Drone cells are going to be a little bit bigger than those. Oh yeah, there's some. Right up here at the corner, there's drone cells. But see, those are all new bees right there. We have to. Those guys are the freeloaders. They breed the queen and eat. That's it. Boy, this hive's gonna get big yet. We're getting a little excited though when I'm on this stuff. I seen that grub over here. I don't want to lose this queen because whoever's in charge here is very easygoing compared to most hives.
Yeah, these are very non-aggressive.
See, and I can tell the difference between a honey and look at all of them right there. That's all new bees too.
Yeah. Wow, we're going to have a huge hive.
Well, it'll split because I'm not going to try to save it. You know what I mean?
Right.
And that might be why they have new queen cells in there. But
what are they doing here?
those just because there's a
gathering
gap in it, they're going to fill it in.
Okay.
That's their natural tendency.
Okay.
Right here's where this is where you'll kill your queen. Just running her against the wall.
Yes.
I always get nervous because she's got to be in here someplace.
Oh yeah, she's been busy.
Now I also read like when we get really good at
Honey, you
this.
got to put these two in back in.
Yeah, I will. I'm just moving these over because I want to. Which one did I just take out? This one, right?
I don't know.
I'm just giving myself a little bit more room. Yeah, I took out that one. I'm just gonna. Yeah, I didn't take this one out yet. See how that's not sticky? This is where she's probably at.
babe.
I gotta set this down.
Do you want me to wipe the bottom?
I got it. Oh, killed one doing it though. Hopefully it's not the queen I just killed.
No, you didn't. Let's see very well.
Those are all eggs in there. When will she stop doing that?
She's happy.
Yeah, man. So they say, I'm just gonna leave those last two alone. Although that's where I saw the grub, maybe I shouldn't. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give them a little squirt here, settle them down some. I think my fire went out. Too late. Look at this one trying to get in on me. I'm gonna check this last two here. Might as well, right?
Yeah.
So how many did we say we had, honey-wise?
I'd have to rewatch the
I
video.
think we said 3. So we have 3, and they need 6 for the winter. So, you know, depending on how much more they produce, you know, there's not a big surplus right now. So I probably will have to feed them. I haven't taken these out for a long time because I usually stop. I'm afraid to kill my queen. There's another fat drone, see him? Another drone. And a ton more getting ready to hatch. See those ones down there? You can see the little white heads peeking out. Right here, we're at the very bottom.
This side?
Yeah, almost right in front of your phone. Those are getting ready to hatch. But there's a lot of brood right there. Okay, so here's the one I'm interested in right here.
Wait. I mean,
Make sure there's no queen in there.
mm.
It looks
Well,
like
how do I know?
Well, she's longer
Okay, well,
bodied.
I don't see her.
I don't either, but she's here someplace. Ooh, did you see that one hit me in the head?
Mm-mm.
Get off of it.
Let me hold it?
No, I'm trying to set it down. That's all I want to do is set it down without killing a bunch of bees.
Right.
And the queen could be in there, so if I'm not careful, I could lose her. And then we're in trouble. It's late in the game. But right here's where I wanted to go.
I know how well this is picking up. Look at the pollen on that one.
See, right here's usually where they get excited because you're right in the
Doorway.
well, you're in their home. But I don't see a very good thing right here. See this one? This one's all empty.
It's probably because it's by the door. See the other side.
I wonder if this probably just hatched here a little bit ago. That's where all this new one is. Yeah, because that's pretty clean, and there's a lot of bees on this thing. A lot of bees. Well, I don't see no major, you know, what do they call those again? Not moths.
Mites?
Ooh. Well, those are hard to see.
You gotta put this one in, babe.
Yeah, I will. Does that one go in after this one, don't it?
No, it went in before that one.
Thank you. That matters. The honey one don't matter. Oh my. Please don't go in there. I'm doing my best to be gentle. Okay.
We gotta scooch him down.
Yeah. This is where you gotta be careful. I was reading though on this thing, when we get really good at this, when we get ready to take our honey, they space out their frames when the honey comes in there, so they're thicker, so they can take a knife and cut them. And it's bigger honey harvest.
Gotcha.
So I haven't. They got spacers. I think I'm just gonna make ours.
Kill that beetle one up there on that.
Yeah.
Some of these little guys on me.
Oh yeah, they're not happy. Some of these are really ticked off inside here. Okay, so we have That one right there is a half a frame of honey. And that, so we got, I'm going to call this
Front and back.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we've got 3. Okay, dudes, you guys are going to have to chill out and get out of here. I can't have you there or I'm going to kill you. Don't make me do that because we got plenty. This thing right here is full of honey right there. Oh. All right, so before I get too carried away,
And this is just rosemary
and coconut oil.
and coconut oil.
Unrefined cold pressed coconut oil.
It's not too strong for it, is it?
I put 2 drops in there, which is the strongest one they recommend.
Okay.
Kind of hard to maneuver with this rosemary. That's supposed to help them. And then when they bump into that, the varroa mites are supposed to be like hard pressed, you know. It does kill some bees when you get too much on there, but I think I kill a bunch when I get in there. Accidentally, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the fullest ones toward here. Yeah, that one right there's, that's almost a half a frame right there.
Mm,
So,
nice.
and this one right here between this one
You guys are doing it.
and this one's half a frame. Yeah, they're gonna build something is what they're gonna do.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have trouble. And as soon as I learn more about how to situate these, because it's so weird that they have some half and half, and you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And then this one right here is like full, you know, more than the other ones are. And I've only went to that level. Look at that.
Bromobite, what, no, what are they? Beetle? Hive beetles?
Yeah, small hive beetles.
Yes.
Can't get this one in. Why can't I? That's never. Oh, you got in the way, dummy. Now they're mad. You hear them?
Mm-hmm.
I killed one. I got one hitting me in the stinking head over here. Look at all them hive beetles.
Yeah, well, you had it sitting here, I think. That's why. There's another one over there.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're chasing them out of there,
They do chase them.
and that's why they were there. Whoops.
Tried to get them out of there.
I'm trying to kill the ones over here without killing any bees.
I guess I can't even get this one in there. Oh, did you hear that one hit my hat? That means they're going out with force trying to get me. Okay. Okay. We're doing good. I guess that's supposed to be some kind of skin product.
What's it called? Populus?
propolis. Yeah.
Profulus?
It's their glue. And it obviously works as good as glue, right? I just read a thing on there that they put it in skin products.
It's attacking that one.
Oh yeah, they'll run them right out of there. And I think since we got rid of the, look at them all right here.
Want to brush them over?
Yeah, I'm gonna brush them anyhow, just to get rid of them. Now that I don't have any stinking smoke left.
You kind of need them off the top to put the stuff on.
I don't know where they're getting this pop-up, but it's like bright orange. Or whatever they're getting, whatever's on those bees. Settle down, I'm getting out of here. I got a couple that are getting excited on me.
See that beetle?
Watch out though, they're getting, make sure your masks and everything's clear.
Yeah, I'm good.
Queen's about fed up with it, she's sending the signal out. Get them boys. Well, as long as we're seeing, cells, larvae, and we're seeing honey, we must be doing something right. Right?
Yep.
That's not a good sign.
What's not?
There's a little drip of something on there.
Oh.
Probably sweat.
It could be.
I can't wait as long. Next time I'll have to come in here and just check this just to get rid of the propolis before they glue this thing shut.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with our beekeeping. God bless.